Hello everyone. Today I am here at Depstar College, Devang Patel Institute at Charusat University, and we'll be talking to some dignitaries here today. Hello, sir.
Hello,
So, sir, please give a brief introduction of yourself, and then we can start with the interview.
myself Dr. Amit Nayak. Uh, I have joined Charuset. I have joined DevStar since 2006. I am here since 2006. So I have total 15 years of experience, and my areas of specializations are computer network, cloud computing, and Internet of Things. And I am serving here as a head of the department in IT at Devang Patel Institute of Advanced Technology and Research.
Sir, what are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
The key factors are like my areas of interest. I'm interested in learning new things in the field of cloud computing, in the field of computer networking. So I'm always searching for the advancements which are happening in my field, as well as I'm I'm more interested in terms of reading the things related with the emerging technologies as well.
Sir, how does the curriculum of your college or institute provide the best practices of the industry? Help in the best practices.
Our curriculum is like in inline. We have developed our curriculum by taking the feedback from various stakeholders. So the stakeholders are industry people, stakeholders are from research organization. We used to interact with parents and students as well. So by combining the feedback from all the stakeholders, we have designed our syllabus, and we used to follow the same practice for designing the syllabus. So our syllabus is matching with the need of industry as well as the research organization. So our students are they are the best fit, okay, for almost all types of organization.
Sir, what are your institute's greatest strengths?
Our institute's greatest strength is our faculty members are young and they are dynamic, they are adaptive, they are young, so they can adapt the technology easily. Even in the pandemic, uh, uh, we are the only one who have adopted the online teaching learning process 100% full-fledged, and we have conducted so many seminars, we have conducted expert talk, and we have conducted workshop and everything for our students.
Sir, as you are the head of department, how do you tend to promote a healthy environment in your department or for your students?
See, to promote the healthy environment, my focus is to collect the feedback, okay, from faculty at the faculty level, at the student level. So I used to interact with the faculty members, I used to interact with the students on regular basis, and based on their input, I used to update myself. I used to update the overall processes which we have defined for our institute.
Okay, so sir, when you first came to this institute, what was your vision for the institute, and have that vision changed over the years?
See, my vision, whenever I have joined, my vision was to include or to teach the emerging fields. So, as and when you all know, you are very well, you know very well, in IT field, advancements are happening day by day or
Yes, sir.
on every day. So we have to update ourselves, as well as teachers are updating themselves. And based on this, my vision is to promote and to educate the student for the emerging technologies, for the areas in which the demand will be there in future.
Sir, where do you see the Depstar Institute in next 10 years?
See, if you take my honest opinion, then for me, uh, I want that my institute should be in top five institute in across the state as well as across the country. So, I know very well. Like we have to go for some kind of ranking framework. We have to go for National Institute of Ranking Framework. We have to apply for National Board of Accreditation. So if our processes are well defined, if we follow qualitative practices, then definitely we can achieve this. So if our ranking improves, then our institute's visibility improves. And this is how we can be there among the top five institutes across the state as well as across the nation.
Sir, what are some things about the Depstar Institute that people may not know and you would like to tell them?
See, we have the setup of super specialty lab, so people are aware. But I want to improve the utilization of all these super specialty lab, as well as we have formed research groups. So we have divided the faculty members among those research groups. So research group is the one place where student can join. Student can if the utilization, if we improve the utilization of our super specialty lab as well as the existing lab, then this is how we can inculcate the practical knowledge into the students. So we have the infrastructure, we have the resources, but if we improve the utilization, and if students if they join the research group, and if they join some of the clubs which we are running, then definitely they can grow in almost all the dimensions.
Sir, are there any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
See, my suggestions are like always try to follow the learning approach, try to have the learning approach. So, as a teacher, as a student, we have to learn, okay, on each and every day. So, we have to update ourselves, we have to upgrade ourselves. This is only the way by which we can sustain in the market.
Okay, sir, thank you for the insightful interview. It was great talking to you.
Thank you very much.